Hi there. Do you know how to use a socket on a drilling machine? I will show you how. What you need is a socket to drill adapter like this one. This is a 1/2-inch drive. You can buy a pack of different sizes and you can find these in many hardware stores. A pack like this one with different sizes. This is a 1/2-inch drive. This is a 3/8 drive, and this is a 1/4-inch drive. It's good to have a pack of different sizes to cater for all your socket drive sizes. So basically this is all you need to use a socket on a drilling machine.